So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come gigabyte.com and then you can see this is search box in the right side. Just click it and then enter your model number of motherboard B760M CV2 and then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard B760M CV2. That on click. Then click on support. So this is your motherboard. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. So both installations process same. Okay. So select operating system, chipset, extract chipset. Then first need to this one Intel serial. Okay, and click to download. Just open it and double click to exe. Then yes. Then install and then close it. Then this one Intel INF installer. Okay, and click to download. It will complete. Then open and double click to exe. Then yes. Okay, now this is installing. And then close it.